Hey guys, what is going on? Lego Man 123 and welcome back to another video where today I'll be reviewing the Lego City Jungle Explorer ATV set 60424. Starting off with the minifigure for the set, he is immediately recognizable as being inspired by Johnny Thunder for not only his torso and hat, but also the overall concept of the set. And included with this Johnny Thunder inspired minifigure is a brand new and exclusive map piece. And also included is a compass. However, my favorite part about this set is not only the price, but also the inclusion of a new and exclusive red panda mold. And I love the red panda's inclusion because not only is it a new and exclusive piece, but it's also just honestly adorable. Moving on to the builds for this set does consist of two. The first one being a habitat for the red panda. And I love how simple yet effective this build is. It has some really nice part usage to make it look lively and almost realistic, like with the rock work and the plant life included, and it just works incredibly well for a set like this. Then finally, we of course have the Jungle Explorer ATV. And once again, I love how simple yet effective this build is. I also love its color scheme and just its overall design as well. And when comparing it to other ATVs, I would definitely consider this one to be a lot more unique for not only its design, but its size compared to other ATVs that we have gotten in the past. So if you haven't already, then I would highly recommend picking this setup because not only is it a very unique and interesting set, but for $10, it is definitely worth it for the minifigure red panda and the two builds included. But apart from that, I would definitely love to hear your thoughts and opinions down in the comments below. And as always, guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. And again, this is a goodbye.